For some reason, if the screen color or the display color got messed up on your Galaxy device, we're going to learn some of the fixes on how we can solve that. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Fixing a screen color on Samsung Galaxy S25 series or other devices, it's fairly simple. This could be happening because you have a certain setting enabled which you're not being able to disable. First, let us go to settings. Once we go to settings, go to the option called accessibility. You can simply try going to accessibility by scrolling down towards the general management, and under general management you can see accessibility. Now over here, it could be that you've opened a certain setting. So you can go to Vision Enhancement. Let's say you might have turned on high contrast themes. So make sure to disable this. If you have enabled color filter, make sure to disable that, or any of the other setting that you have enabled here. Now, if you're sure that's not the case, you can also go ahead and then go to the display settings. From here, you can go to screen mode and set it to natural or vivid, because maybe you have tweaked the settings like this, right? And you also went to advanced settings and tweaked all of these like this, and really it's not quite visible to your eyes. You can set this to any of the modes that you actually prefer. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.